Hi, this is Shaumya Sarkar from Wealth Redefine. You must be surprised yesterday that market has gone up almost by 3 to 3.5%. I think there are two reasons to it, as we all know. One reason is that India Pakistan a ceasefire has been declared. War is not going to go ahead because in the war, what happens is that it takes the toll on the economy, and obviously the foreign reserves and all those things get depleted when there is a war. So that is saved now. Second thing, I think another major factor which has happened is that declaration of US and China trade dispute to a certain extent. Now US will charge 30% of the tariff rather than 145% of the tariff which was announced a month back, and China will have a 10% of tariff against a 125% of the tariff which was initially thought of. So this has actually very big relief for the market all over the globe. If you see not only the India, if you see the all over the globe, if you see, then you can understand that this rally not concentrated only in India, but also because of the US-China policy. Two biggest economy in the world, US and China, has come to the negotiation table, and they have negotiated that 30% and 10% would be the respective tariff by US and China. So this has come as a major relief for the global economy. Definitely in Indian perspective, there are two reasons to be proud of. One is this India-Pakistan ceasefire, and another is that US-China policies. I believe that market will see some corrections in between, but overall the major challenge which we had initially with US administration is now getting over. So obviously it will help to have a more profit, which will definitely give a more earnings to the company, and that will impact in the share market. मेरे को लगता है जो ये जो टाइम है, ये टाइम लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टर के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, बट जरूर आपको पोर्टफोलियो में रिव्यू जरूर करना चाहिए. इसलिए क्योंकि सपोज कोई ऐसे चीज है, जैसे कोई चीज बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है, तो उससे हमें अवॉइड करना चाहिए. That is the only thing I would like to tell. I think that if you are patient, if you are not trying to time the market, if you are just go by the flow and you want to continue with the same way, I don't think there is anything to be worried on. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to if you like the video, you can subscribe to our channel, and you can send us any queries if you have. Thank you.